Good morning, students. Today we are going to study the Three Trumpeters story. It's a real life adventure. Okay. In our life, we had a lot of experiences. Experience which give you some lesson. Experience which teach you something. Some experiences are such that we remember in our whole life. Some experience are like that we doesn't want that they should be repeated again. And sometimes we get some different type of experience, and that can be that makes our life very happy. We feel very happy with that. And sometimes we are having an adventurous experience also. Here the writer and his friends had experienced one adventurous experience in their life, and they cannot forget this. So let us see their experience. As Pankaj and I sat drinking tea at the small restaurant in Dhikala, at the western extremities of Corbett National Park, we waited for the guide who had asked us to give him a ride back to Gairal, the forest rest house we were staying at. Now, here Pankaj and I, two friends are there, Pankaj and I, they were drinking tea at the small restaurant, and they are waiting in Dhikala. They are waiting. It was in the Corbett National Park. They came in the Corbett National Park. They are waiting for the guide. Guide will come, and then they will be back to Gairal, the forest rest house. They want to go back to Gairal, the forest rest house. So they are waiting for guide. Gairal was located at the opposite end of the park and was a good 1 hour's drive across exciting jungle and river beds. Now, this rest house, when people used to go for seeing the animals, like if they went to zoo or some sanctuaries, or we say some park that is national, like Kana National Park, or some this like this Corbett National Park, there is a rest house there people used to stay, and then they went to watch all these animals. Okay, so here also the two friend Pankaj and his friend, the writer and his friend, wanted, they came in the national park, they came in that forest area, and now they went to go back, and it takes 1 hour to go back to their rest house. And it was very exciting jungle, that is forest, and river beds is also there. Just how exciting it could get, we were soon to find out. It was summer time, and the sun set every day at around 7 p.m. You all know that the daytime is longer in summer days, during the summer, and in winter we are having less time in the day. It is said that the days are shorter as comparison to summer, but actually the sun sets late in summer and sun sets very early in the winter time. Okay, so definitely it was a summer time, and sun sets every day around 7 p.m. And in winter, if you will see 7 p.m, it will be like a night. Okay, so it was soon approaching 6:15. Already 6:15 was there. Time is there, and wait, and we had to try getting back before it got dark. Driving in the dark is prohibited, especially with your vehicle headlights on. You all know that if you are in the forest, you are crossing the forest, you cannot drive with your lights on. Your light should not be on. Headlights should be turn off. Especially driving in the dark is prohibited. And another thing is, driving in the dark is already prohibited, means ban. Especially with your vehicle light headlights on. You cannot on your headlights. Being absolute animal lovers, we wanted to try and ensure we did not end up disturbing them, because we are very much animal lovers, so we don't want to disturb these animals. We were quite upset with the guide, as it had definitely delayed us beyond the time we had set for us to start from Dikala. As guide was very late, and definitely for because of him we will be late for Dikala.